Okay, let's start with the first one. Honestly, I'm just going to go number by number. So let's look at number 1. It's a triangle, doesn't have a right angle, and a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral means there's 4 sides. This has 3 sides, so the 1 goes down here. Let's go to the 2, so that's done. A 2, it is a quadrilateral, it has 4 sides, but there's no right angles, so 2 goes there. 3, it's not a quadrilateral, has at least 1 right angle. Nope, none of them are right, it's out there. 4, it is a quadrilateral, and honestly, it looks a lot like it's got a right angle. Honestly, if you put the 4 here, I'll take it. If you put the 4 here, I'll take it. Okay, it's kind of hard to tell. Number 5 is a quadrilateral, and then having a right angle, it doesn't look like it's a right angle, so 5 goes there. 6, it has a right angle, and it has 4 sides, so it's in the middle. This has 4 sides, but no right angle. This has 4 sides, and if you look right here, that looks like it has a right angle, which, by the way, is 90 degrees. So it's both of them, so that means the 8 goes in the middle. 9 has 4 sides. There's 90 degrees. The 9 goes there. This is not a quadrilateral, but it does have that right angle, so that's the 10. Not 4 sides, no right angle. That's on the outside. Not 4 sides, no right angle. It's on the outside. This has not a quadrilateral, but it does look like it has a right angle. So that was number 13, so that goes there. 14 has 4 sides, but no right angle. That's a parallelogram, goes there. 15, 4 sides, no right angle. No 4 sides, no right angle. It's on the outside. Okay? All right. Let's go to the next one. So that's what I would do methodically, is go one by one. This one, you make an x, multiply what touches. So the 5 touches the 3x minus 1, and the 8 touches the 4. So multiply, multiply, and then multiply. Draw my line, add 5 to both sides. 15x equals 37, divide by 15. 37 doesn't go into 15, so I'm done. Let's do the next one. Remember how I multiplied? So multiply. So bring down the 8x. 3 times 2 is 6x. 3 times 5 is 15. 11 plus 9x. This side's still kind of messy, so I can put those two together. Now when I look, I kind of say, like, this is ugly, ugly, ugly. Well, now it's pretty because these two can't go together, so that's as much as I can do on that side. There's nothing I can do on this side because they're different. So now what I'm going to do is, I know my goal is x equals a number. So that means I want the x over here and the number over there. So I want the x on this side, so this stays. The number I want over there, so I move it. Remember, the x I don't want on the right side. I want it on the left side, so I move it. This got moved, so it's gone. This got moved, so it's gone. 14 minus 9 is 5x. 11 plus 15 is 26. Divide by 5. 5 doesn't go into 26, so I'm done. Okay? There's 2 ways to do this problem. I think the easiest way is to get rid of the fraction first. So whatever number is on bottom, give it, give it, give it. If you give to 1, you got to give to all of them. So then that makes it gone. That's kind of what we wanted. And you don't multiply it, because the purpose of this was to get rid of this. This did its job for this guy. So then you're just left with 5x. But this 6 didn't get rid of anything, so you multiply it. This 6 didn't get rid of anything, so you multiply it. Now you solve like you normally would. If you struggle with integers, don't worry about it. Use your calculator. Divide by 5, x equals -6. Okay? Careful of your negatives and positives. All right, fill in the diamond problem. So that means that we need to find 2 numbers. So pretty much we just need to multiply 6 times -4, which is -24, and then add 6 minus 4, which is 2. So So that one, we're good to go. All right, this one is find the slope. If you remember, whenever I did slope, slope was always my pattern, and my pattern was always in pink. So what I did is I went 10, -4, -2, 6, and I'm trying to find the pattern. So it might help if you want. Let me zoom out a little bit, and I'll let you guys use this for the test if you want. So start at -4, and then I jump. I'm trying to get to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to the right, so it's bigger by 10. Then we're going to go this one. So I'm all the way over here at 10, and I'm trying to get to -2. So I'm going that way. If I'm going left, that's negative. See how it says negative right here? And that's positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I move 12 to the left. Okay? The one thing you're going to have to remember is that y goes on top and x goes on the bottom. Okay? So this is my y, because y always goes second, and this is my x. So I've got 10 on top and 12 on the bottom. But the problem is those are both even. Oh, -12. Divide by 2, -5, 6. That is my slope. That's the quiz. I hope that helped out. And don't forget to go into Google Classroom because I have a blank PDF.